Excuse me, sir. Oh, hey, how can I help you? So, me and my family, we're going camping, and I need something that's like small, lightweight, but like it's heavy enough that we can use it to like chop wood and get us like firewood and stuff. Oh, so like, were you thinking of like a hatchet or like an axe or like what? Well, we're hiking into our campsite, and so the lighter the better, but we also need it heavy enough to actually cut the wood. So, yeah, do you have any ideas? Where are you going? Well, we were gonna go to like a local like lake, but then we decided to go somewhere exotic and we've never been before, so we're going to the Amazon jungle. The Amazon jungle, dang, that's crazy. Yeah, okay, something small, lightweight. So are you thinking like a hatchet, an axe, a machete? What? Well, I was thinking like a hatchet, but like I don't know, I've never used a machete. Do you like what are your thoughts on it? Like, do you think that would be a good suggestion for going to the Amazon jungle? Well, like if you're hiking in, machetes are like they're small, they're lightweight, and they don't take up a lot of room. So like you could bring it, you can use it to chop wood, you can use it to cut vines, you can use it to cut leaves, get sticks for like your shelter or whatever. Like there's many purposes and there's many different things you can use with a machete. Okay, yeah, machete. That actually doesn't sound like a bad idea. What are like the price ranges on those? Well, so we have like our like huge ones. Like there's lots of different varieties. Like we got like our big like two-handed ones. They're basically swords, but those are like super expensive, like 200, 230. Then we have like the one-handed ones. They're more like 100 to 150, like not too expensive, but like not super bad. And then we have like the one I showed you, this one. This goes for like I don't know, like 60 to 40 bucks or something. Like, and it's nice because it's small, so you can use it with one hand, so you can like be carrying wood with one, chop with the other. It's lightweight, but it's super sharp. Like it's good. Okay, yeah, that'd be sick. Okay, so you think I should get a machete? Yeah, especially because like if you're hiking in, they're super light, don't take up a lot of space. What are you using for like protection? Protection? Why do we need protection? Against like wild animals? Well, I'm buying a machete. Isn't that all I need? Well, like technically, no. Well, it's the jungle. Like you never know what's gonna be there. So if I were you, I would like bring like a bow, a gun, yeah, I don't know, something to protect yourself from. I guess I never thought of that. Yeah, probably some protection would be smart, especially if we're going into the jungle. Do you have any suggestions? Yeah, well, funny you said that because actually we're having a killer sale with. It's actually a combination between guns and machetes because for some reason those two go together. Yeah, so if you buy this 12 gauge shotgun, we throw in a machete, like the one I showed you, for 50% off. So you buy this, you get this. It's a perfect combination, and like if you get these both, you are set and ready to go. Um, yeah, and you can protect yourself, and that's all you need. Okay, yeah, I never thought of that. I've never really shot a gun before. So, okay, yeah, I'll get the gun, and then I'll get the machete, and then I'll get the tent. And, oh, yeah, and then can you throw in that hiking backpack too? Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah, okay, I'll just bring you up to the till, and we'll, check you out. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you've been super helpful. I have no idea what I would do without you. Oh, yeah, no problem, bro. Like, I just want you to have the best camping experience possible. Yeah, well, it kind of would have been awkward if we had gone there and then gotten eaten by a tiger because we didn't have protection. So, yeah, thank you again, and have a wonderful day. You too, bro. Have a wonderful camping trip.